Melissa Gorga is facing a bit of controversy as it seems she shaded her sister-in-law Teresa Giudice by selling handcuff link bracelets after the Real Housewives of New Jersey Season 13 reunion. Melissa and Teresa have long been in battle with each other, and that doesn't seem to be slowing down anytime soon, especially with the shade they both like to throw on social media. The recent events of the reunion seem to have made this relationship even more strained than it was before. In a recent Instagram post from @NBBMG, Melissa's boutique shop Envy showed off handcuff link bracelets that seemed to throw shade at Teresa's jail time, with the song Locked Up by Akon playing over the video. While the video did not mention Teresa at all, it is well known that Teresa and her ex-husband Joe Giudice both served time in jail, with Joe subsequently being deported. It was also recently brought up in the RHONJ Season 13 reunion that Teresa now believes Melissa and her husband, Teresa's brother, Joe Gorga, called the FBI on Teresa and Joe Giudice. RHONJ fans react to Melissa Gorga's new jewelry. Fans in the comments section had a lot to say about Melissa's timing of the drop and the fact that it seems she is finally standing up to Teresa. User @Worthless44 said, "Perfect drop timing LMAO," referencing the fact that these bracelets went on sale so soon after Teresa had accused Melissa of turning her in and sending her to jail. User @WVPinkDrink said, "Now that's funny right there. Love you and Joe. #Team Gorga. Taking Melissa's side in the familial fight." Most of the comments seemed to side with Melissa. They found the shade to be very funny and lighthearted. Melissa has held back from throwing Teresa's shade right back at her for many years, but she is not taking it anymore. In the last episodes of the RHONJ Season 13 reunion, Melissa stood up for herself and fact-checked many of Teresa's crazy claims right to her face. Melissa has been displaying a new kind of confidence and power, as she usually just lets Teresa's crazy comments go. Considering how outlandish Teresa's comments have become, Melissa's rebuttals are getting better and better. The worst part about Teresa and Melissa's feud is that there doesn't seem to be any way back to a happy place for this family. Unless both women leave RHONJ, the shade and drama truly will never end for them. The family will most likely never repair the wounds that have been thrown both ways. If the wounds can never be healed, then at this point, they might as well profit off of it, as both women are now doing. The Real Housewives of New Jersey airs Tuesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time on Bravo. Source: @NBBMG, Instagram.
Love in a modern world is fake, when love was meant for joy too. When I find you, I realize that somehow we lie. Love in the modern world, it is fake, when love was meant for joy. I know that he hurt you. Your 5 inches of heart is human. Can you be sure? No.